The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude long-endurance advanced unmanned aircraft designed to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and conduct airstrikes. The greatness of this drone is proven while in Ukraine. This type of drone is equipped with a technology called an onboard avionics suite. With it, TB2 can take off and land automatically. Accidentally, Bayraktar TB2 can find the weakness of the enemy. Turkey has donated 3 Bayraktar TB2 attack drones and a shipment of ammunition to Ukraine. A small number of Bayraktar TB2 drones produced by a Turkish company about a month ago are already in Ukraine. Talking about the drones built by Bayraktar Technologies as part of a fundraiser by citizens of 3 European countries, given the crisis in the armed forces of Ukraine, with the presence of drones significantly strengthened the Ukrainian forces. Turkey has not officially delivered 3 Bayraktar TB2 drones to Ukraine. However, photos with 3 drones have appeared on the web that Turkey has previously shown that the latter will soon launch into Ukraine. The effective range of the drone optical system is about 100 kilometers, which is quite possible to use. The armed forces of Ukraine actively use the Bayraktar TB2 reconnaissance attack drone as a combat platform. Bayraktar TB2 is capable of flying for 27 hours non-stop and has an effective range of 150 kilometers, and flying at an altitude of 30,000 feet, the unmanned air system can reach speeds between 80 and 140 miles per hour. The Bayraktar TB2 drone is different from many unmanned aircraft used in Ukraine. The size of a small aircraft, this winged drone is equipped with a series of high-resolution cameras. This drone weighs about 16 kilograms and is about 120 millimeters long. Equipped with laser-guided ammunition, assisting Ukrainian ground forces with tactical intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition, drones can also be used to launch long-range missiles. The Bayraktar TB2 is powered by a Rotax 912 internal combustion engine that drives a variable pitch propeller, 2 blades located at the rear of the unmanned air system, having the capacity to produce more than 100 horsepower. The Bayraktar TB2 drone has a wingspan of 12 m and a length of 6.5 m, although it is driven by a single engine and propeller. In terms of ammunition and payload, the Bayraktar TB2 can launch a firepower of 330 pounds. Depending on the mission, the drone is equipped with 4 bombs or guided missiles that can be used to attack various targets with a maximum weight of 150 kilograms, including Russian armored tanks. The Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2 drone has proven to be an effective and deadly asset to the enemy. Turkey has become a major manufacturer and user of unmanned air systems, while it has also become a major seller in the process. This drone assists Ukraine in intelligence collection and attack. This unmanned aircraft truly represents the country's defensive advantage. Bayraktar TB2 certainly plays an important role in Ukraine's defense strategy. The drone's cutting-edge technology proves its advanced capabilities before the battlefield. Turkey has exported nearly 100 TB2 drones to 13 countries. The fame of Bayraktar TB2 worldwide can almost entirely be attributed to its performance in Ukraine. According to Bayraktar Technology, a Turkish drone manufacturer developed mostly by Selçuk Bayraktar of Turkey, an MIT graduate and founder of Bayraktar Technology, the Bayraktar TB2 drone was first developed in 2007. The first flight of the Bayraktar TB2 was in 2009, while this drone was first delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces in 2014, and Ukraine received this Bayraktar drone for the first time in 2019. According to Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov, since the beginning of the invasion, Ukraine has received 50 Bayraktar TB2 drones since the beginning of the Russian invasion in late June. An unmanned aircraft with an internal combustion engine can travel at a maximum speed of more than 220 kilometers. Maximum range of Bayraktar TB2 reaches 300 kilometers and can carry up to 300 liters of fuel. Each drone is equipped with 6 aircraft platforms, 2 long-range video terminals, 3 ground data terminals, and ground support equipment. Its configuration allows pilots, mission commanders and payload operators to control drones. All TB2 components, including digital flight control systems, takeoff, landing, and sailing, are manufactured in Turkey. The drone can carry 4 MAMC or MAML air-to-ground missiles. The MAMC missile weighs 14 pounds and is equipped with a multipurpose warhead that has high explosive capabilities and armor piercing that can finish off enemy forces or tanks. The MAML missile has a much heavier blow with a 48-pound warhead. The MAML can pack a multipurpose warhead that can meet the needs of a high explosive power or armor piercing. What makes the TB2's performance so impressive is its ability to output the same anti-aircraft system designed to stop it. Partly due to the lower cross-section of the radar of the drone, which allows it to penetrate the enemy's air defenses undetected, then use its laser-guided ammunition. It is still unclear how much TB2 Ukraine still has in the sky. However, some recent evidence suggests that Ukraine received the new TB2 directly from the Turkish state production line.